Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for January 31st, 2024, featuring the gibbous moon approaching Spica. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 7:05 a.m. Central Standard Time, followed by sunset at 5:04 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. This morning at an hour before sunrise, the gibbous moon, 73% illuminated, is over 30 degrees above the southwest horizon. It is 10.6 degrees to the right of Spica, Virgo's brightest star, and 4.5 degrees to the lower right of Porrima, also known as Gamma Virginis. The lunar orb displays a morning half-full phase, known as last quarter, on February 2nd. The official phase occurs at 5:18 p.m. when the moon is below the horizon from the Americas. At this hour, brilliant Venus is low in the southeast. Wait another 15 minutes for it to appear higher in the sky, but it is less than 10 degrees above the horizon. The planet is stepping eastward in front of Sagittarius, 4.4 degrees to the left of Cos Borealis, meaning the northern part of the bow of the Archer. They fit into the same field of a binocular. During January, Venus lost 67 minutes of rising time compared to sunrise. The planet appears lower in the sky during morning twilight than on New Year's Day. Mercury moves toward its superior conjunction later next month. The planet is in brighter twilight. Mars is slowly emerging from brighter sunlight. The planet is dim and no bright stars are nearby to help identify Mars. Venus passes by on February 22nd and begins to appear in the same binocular field with Mars beginning in a week. In the evening sky. After sundown, the sky is full of bright stars in the east. The brightest star-like body, Jupiter, is high in the south-southwest. It moves eastward in front of Aries, 11.0 degrees to the lower left of Hammel, the Ram's brightest star, and 13.7 degrees to the upper right of Menkar. The planet slowly moves eastward toward an imaginary line between the two stars. Tonight, Jupiter sets in the west-northwest not long after the new calendar day begins. Saturn, considerably dimmer than Jupiter, but brighter than many stars tonight, is about 10 degrees up in the west-southwest. It sets about an hour later. On February 6th, the ringed wonder sets at the end of evening twilight, 95 minutes after nightfall. Then it sets during evening twilight until it disappears into the sun's glare heading toward solar conjunction on February 28th. The planet is making a relatively quick exit from the evening sky. It reappears in the eastern morning sky during early spring. Mars passes Saturn on April 10th. The moon rises before midnight. As the calendar day ends, the gibbous moon, 66% illuminated, is less than 10 degrees up in the east-southeast, 1.5 degrees to the upper left of Spica. Notice the locations of the lunar orb and Spica before sunrise tomorrow morning. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.